Welcome back to a nail polish review in my channel, and today I'll talk about this color changing or thermal or temperature changing nail polish from the brand Beromt. To know more about this, please keep on watching and also subscribe to my channel to get to know more about nail polishes and nail arts, of course. So it has a rectangular glass bottle with a black plastic cap, and these are available in a number of colors in Amazon and Flipkart, but I chose this one in yellow and orange. And thermal polishes are quite popular, especially from Born Pretty, but they're a bit more expensive, and those are Chinese, so not really easily available in India. But I found this brand called Beromt while randomly searching in Flipkart and Amazon, and these are easily available in India and also not that costly. These bottles cost 99 each, so I just grabbed them. So this one is shade number 701 is written in the base of the polish, and at the back you'll see a lot more other information about the composition, which is a great thing. So these polishes are toxic free and also cruelty free, so these points get a big thumbs up from me. You get 10 ml of product. Also, there is no bad smell as I open the bottle, and you can see the brush is quite perfect length and width wise, and the consistency is really great. So you will just see me gliding the nail polish on my nails, and you'll see for yourself how great this is. You need a few strokes to cover the whole nail, and also there is no difficulty in painting around the cuticle area. This nail polish dries fast and doesn't stain the nails, and at least 2 coats is required, or maybe 3, so that's about it. And it doesn't really chip that fast, so longevity is quite good. So I have taken warm water in the cup on the left, and in the cup on the right there is cold water to demonstrate the color change that the nail polish undergoes properly, and you will be amazed to see the smooth and beautiful change in color. I don't really need to say anything about this because you can yourself see how beautiful the gradient or the transition happens. So I definitely recommend you buy these nail paints because these are not only cheap but also easily available, toxic free and also cruelty free. And what else do you need in a nail polish? So yeah, just go ahead and buy these nail paints if you're looking for thermal or color changing nail paints. It's really fun to watch the color change, and you can buy any shade of your choice as per the choices available in the websites. So yeah, go ahead and have fun. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please stay tuned in my channel for more such nail polish review videos, nail polish talks and nail arts. And yeah, do check out my other reviews in my channel that I have posted already if you haven't already. So see you super soon with more videos. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and also share this video, and please do comment if you feel like. So see you guys, tata.